Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Aao Baatein Kare, Pooja here. Well, this will be a daily read or a general read for the month of August. Okay, so let's see, and I will try and put as many as daily reads or weekly reads as possible. So, from August, this is what I have decided. And do like, share, and follow my YouTube channel. And if you like tarot or you're interested, you can even join my WhatsApp group. The link is given below. There you get everyday free uh, daily tarot reads. Okay, so let's see. I'll try and make it a general read, so specifically for maybe what's coming to us in August, more on those lines, or it can even be related to what we are meant to hear. Okay, so let's see. Let me pull out few cards. Gates of Triumphs. Beautiful. Success expands in your life. Success expands in your life. Everybody of us loves to hear this. Joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. And third is crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. Beautiful. So, it is time that we start receiving our gifts. We should first and foremost believe that we are worthy of the gifts given to us, or that will be showered upon us soon. Many of us don't think they are even worthy. So, first and foremost, you have to open your hearts to joy, and the gates of triumph will open very, very soon. Okay? And now I'll be pulling out a few more cards. Let's see. It will be from different decks, so we will have a great idea of what's happening. Let's see what else is the message for us today. Affirmations for growth. There are a lot of affirmations even on my YouTube channel. You can go and start, because affirmations is very important. What we say to ourselves is very important, because that's how our future is being made. If we say things don't happen for me, I always lose, I am a loser, so we get more situations which put us in those places, or in that same place we are kept in those places. And just see how positive she is, how happy she is. Just see at her cheeks, they are so fresh and red with positivity. I love that surety and gleam of happiness in her eyes. That's what positivity does to you. Hibernation and regeneration. This is a time we all should understand. This pandemic, this lockdown, this time to rest. Take this time as a time to rest, time to dream, time to settle all the things which are being unsettled for life. See, while she's sleeping, resting, there are beautiful crystals growing all around her. So maybe it is the need of the hour for you to really think of what you really want in life. Affirmations for healing the heart. Some of us, like all of us, have gone through a lot of trouble. Maybe we have lost loved ones. So take this time to heal. Take this time to, miss them and appreciate them, and also appreciate your own life. Also appreciate the people around you, your friends, your family. Appreciation is a very, very important thing, guys. For anything new to happen and anything wonderful to happen, it is very, very important to appreciate all the small things in life, because that opens up doors for more beautiful things to come. Okay, Now let me pull out cards from this deck. This is the answer is simple deck. So sometimes all the great things or big things come in very small packages. It is just a phone call, it's just a message, just an email, it's just what you heard with somebody, from someone, it's just a dream, it's just a song on the radio. So all these things are very very small, but we have to just be in that alignment to receive all these things. So let's see what are the very very simple but important things we should be doing for, especially in August. Reclaim your art. I took it from below the deck. Reclaim your art. See this. Maybe some of you all have are good in music, drawing, painting, sketching, cooking, whatever is your hobby. Give time to your hobby. It is a kind of meditation. It is a kind of way that you become silent. You concentrate. You do not use all the screens around you. You are one with your thoughts, and that's the best time to receive answers. Rebel. Just see this pink color here. Maybe it's time to be a bit bold, do something new. Maybe color your hair a different color. My nails need a manicure again. And maybe it is time to take some time or do something which makes you very very happy. So this is a special message for a few of us. See the light. See this. So meditation is the best way to receive messages and to see the beautiful light or the beautiful message which is meant for us and meant for the next step which we are asking God to open up for us, the next door of triumph. So I think these are very beautiful and positive messages. Now let me pull out a few tarot cards and let's see where we are going and which direction we should concentrate more. See this. I'll pull out this devil because I have seen it. So devil is the first card. I'll just tell you. Justice. Beautiful. Three of Pentacles. One. Wow. Okay. So it is time all of us start recognizing the devil in our life. See this. As he's held or captured this other person. So devil can be anything that we do in excess, or any person who's around us who's kept us captured, because maybe he has got a habit of excessive drinking, maybe he's on drugs, maybe he smokes a lot, betting, not working, old thought processes, keeping you tied down. So all this, we all have to recognize the devil around us, and it is time to balance. Balance is between what we should do and what we want, what our mind wants, what our heart wants, what our body wants. All these things, it is time to balance. If you all have been working a lot, it is time to relax, take a chill pill, give sleep a little more, pamper yourself, do good things, do affirmations. And we are all are after all a social being, so it is time to connect with people, our own vibe with your own tribe who understands you. So look for a community. You can all join Aao Baatein Kare community also, and you can also join me some friends. Maybe you believe in something, so search for those community, those tribes which will give you happiness. And some of you all are working very hard, and very soon there is an Ace of Pentacles, new source of income is going to come, and maybe you are already working towards it, and you will get a beautiful beautiful breakthrough. So This was a big, general and elaborate reading for the month of August. I'll try and come tomorrow also with another read. So, take care, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and all the other platforms. And if you are interested in a daily tarot read, please join the WhatsApp link given in the description box. So, sending you all lots of love and positivity. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.